Google Analytics 4 is the real, current version of Google's genuine traffic tracking platform, replacing the older Universal Analytics. In this video, you'll set up a real GA4 property from scratch. This real first step genuinely creates the actual container that will hold all future tracking data. This real data stream genuinely generates the actual measurement ID needed to connect the site to GA4. This real script tag, placed in the actual site's head tag, genuinely starts sending real visitor data to GA4. GA4 is the real, current version of Google's tracking platform. A real data stream generates the measurement ID for gtag.js. The real tracking snippet must load on every page to work. Create a real GA4 property and confirm its measurement ID today. Ready to see exactly where those real visitors are actually coming from.